My name is AB. I go to City College Academy of the Arts. I am a rising senior. In my first few days of BlueStamp, I've learned how to create a voice changer project or a voice changer apparatus. I've learned a lot with this starter project. I've learned what all of these parts represent. I've learned how to use the soldering iron. Lastly, I've learned how to eliminate the feedback from the microphone to the speaker. So this is the voice changer project a little more close up. You can see the PCB board, and it has all of its parts like the electrolytic capacitor, the IC chips, the microphone sensitivity, the capacitors, the resistors, the volume button, I guess, the LEDs, and these are just it modulates your voice. These are just like options. So basically what the resistor does is it limits the current into different in different areas of the PCB board, because some areas of the PCB board requires more voltage or less voltage than others. So that is what the resistor does. The electrolytic capacitors and the capacitors, they store energy or charge around the PCB board, and then it uses them when it's needed. So these LEDs, this LED just tells you when the apparatus is on, and this one tells you when your voice is being modulated. This large IC chip, it tells you what it does is its function is to increase or decrease the pitch of your voice, and this IC chip it changes your voice into a more robotic sense. So those are all of the parts in my project. So when you turn it on, and you click the robot button, turn the volume up, you can talk into it and it modulates your voice. Hello, testing, voice changing is cool. So now that I've finished my starter project, I'm going to be working on a remote controlled 3-wheeled car.